back to our channel. So for today's video, we are going to show you how we prepare our homemade cabbage kimchi. So if you want to see more, keep on watching. So we're going to start off with the cabbage. So in here, we are going to cut off the cabbage in half and then afterwards in quarters. And then what we did is we cut it in squares because it's easier for us to put it in a bowl or in a dish. We also use 2 whole cabbages for this occasion. So once you finish cutting the cabbages, you can then rinse it well with clear water. Once you've fully washed and rinsed the cabbage, you can then add the salt. In this case, we have used the iodine-free sea salt, and then we mixed it well with the cabbage. So once you've finished preparing everything and put it in a dish, you can then put it on a side, cover it, and leave it for a maximum of 12 hours. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. So to start off, you can cut off some garlic cloves. So in this case, we have sliced them. Followed by the fresh ginger. In here we just peeled off the skin of the ginger, and then afterwards we're going to cut it in stripes and then dice it well. Once everything is done, we put the diced ginger with the sliced garlic all together. And then now we're going to cut off and rinse well the scallions. So in here, just rinse thoroughly the scallions. Once you've done that, you can just cut them in inches. So let's say in this case, you can trim and cut it into 1-inch piece. So once you've cut the scallions into inch pieces, you can then add them all together with the ginger and the garlic. Now we're going to add the gochugaru. So it's actually what you call the Korean red pepper flakes. In this case, we have added around 50 grams of gochugaru. And then in here, we're going to add some fish sauce. So you can add around 2 deciliters of fish sauce and mix it up with all the other ingredients. And then now it's the soy sauce. So we have added 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then, like previously, mixed all the ingredients well. With the mixture, you can also add some sugar. In our case, we didn't add some, but it's also feasible. 12 hours has passed. Now you can take the cabbage and rinse it with clear water. Try to at least rinse it 3 times so that the cabbage will be cleared of salt. So once you've fully rinsed the cabbages, you can then now add the prepared sauce. So in here, the best way to mix the sauce with the cabbage is by your hands. So as you can see in here, Gaël has put some gloves to protect his hands and his skin, because the red coloring for the sauce can stain your skin for quite a while. So just be careful with it. Once you've finished mixing everything well, you can then put the cabbage with the mixed sauce in a side dish. So this part is not mandatory, but Gaël found it very useful because it enables the sauce to be mixed well with the cabbages. So this is actually a device that you use when you make some mashed potatoes. So if you have something like this, you can also use it for the kimchi preparation. Then once that's done, just cover it up and then you can put it in the fridge. Okay, now it's time to see and taste our kimchi. So it has been in the fridge for almost a week. Look how delicious it looks. So yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you'll try it as well. And let us know in the comments below how was your kimchi. And again, thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.